back to Rewind channel. My name is Vanessa, as you already know that. This morning we are in Dubrovnik. It's a bit cloudy, windy and rainy, but don't worry, there is still plenty to do and to see. So grab your umbrella, as I did, and let's explore together. First of all, our suggestion is to buy the Dubrovnik Pass. 1, 3 or 7 days are the options, as there are a lot of advantages with it, and also bus ticket is included. For example, you can visit city walls. It's a bit slippery, so be careful. Maritime Museum, Ethnographic Museum, Marin House, Rector's Palace, Franciscan Monastery, and a lot more. It is all indoors, so you will be able to explore as much as you want to. Walking tours are available during rainy days, so this can also be an option. Dubrovnik has that special magic during the rainy days, as you can see. If you are not in the mood of walking too much, there are cinemas inside the old town, believe it or not. Movies are played in original language, mainly English, with Croatian subtitles. After a walking tour, local coffee places are waiting for you. Take a break in a local coffee bar and order bijela kava, which means coffee latte. Just sit and relax. Don't take coffee to go. Or you can also treat yourself for a spa day at one of the hotels. For Game of Thrones fans, some of the filming locations were filmed outside, so you can also visit those, as well as local souvenir shops. If you want something special, book a private day trip with Rewind Croatia. We'll plan something unforgettable, rain or shine. Even in the rain, Dubrovnik's charm never fades. It just slows down and shows you the different side of Dubrovnik, which you should also explore. Don't let the rain ruin your vacation. There are still things to do in Dubrovnik.